In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a VR game like this at home. This video was inspired by the VR place and a video that I made actually testing this out, which you can actually watch probably up here or in the description. But I'm going to teach you how you can install this and all the steps that you need just to actually get this to work. So the software we're going to use in particular is called LUMOplay. So LUMOplay is a software that offers all these games like that you can play and stuff. They have both a free and a paid version. So the free version gives you some games for free, but the paid version, you don't get ads, you get extra games and so on. But in this video, we're going to concentrate on the free version because that's what I can afford at the moment. Other things that you're going to need are a Windows computer and a webcam. But if you want the best experience, I recommend that you buy a projector and you buy a 3D camera like the Xbox One Kinect, the Orbeck Astra, or the Intel RealSense camera. But for this video, we're just going to use a Windows laptop and its built-in webcam because that's what I can afford. If I had the chance to show you the full thing with the projectors and stuff, I would have shown it to you because my projector, basically I went to go get it fixed and they damaged it even more, so I can't even show you with the projector. And for the other cameras, they're too expensive. I don't have the money or anything to even buy them to begin with. But anyway, let's move on. So once you have all your equipment, go on the LUMOplay website. Now on the website, click on pricing. When you click on pricing, you'll see different prices. So you can pay for whichever one you want. So in my case, I'm going to go with the free version. Now, if you're a business, I recommend you go for the paid version. Don't go for the free version. And also I recommend that you also have the 3D cameras and the projectors as well, so that you can have the best experience and give it to the customers. After you select the version you want, they'll tell you to create an account. You create an account with your email and other details, and from there you'll be able to download the software. Since you've downloaded the software already, it's time to install it. When you're installing the program on your computer, it's important for you to select the device you have. Like for example, if you're able to get the Orbeck Astra camera, for you to select the driver and install it. But keep in mind that installing drivers requires internet connection. So if you don't have any of these things listed in there, you can just install it without having to use any internet connection. Just install it like that. But if you have any of those devices, please select them and install. Now, once you finish installing this stuff, it's time to set up the program. Now, when you open LUMOplay for the first time, they'll expect you to log in. So with the account you created earlier on their website, log in with those details. Remember, it requires an internet connection. The next thing for you to do is to calibrate your camera. So select the camera you have, in my case the webcam, and from there you have to start calibrating everything. Make sure that everything is perfect. If you basically want to know more on how to fully install this stuff based on whatever device you have, they have instructions within the app, and you can also check the description for their playlist on how to actually fix this stuff up. But once you set up everything, it's time to play any game. Now, since I only have a webcam, I'm very limited as to what games I can play. So there's this snowball game you can play for free if you have a webcam. But then for other games, if you still want the best experience and to play all the other free games, then you would need to have extra equipment. But the cool thing about LUMOplay, which I like, is that you have Motion Maker, and Motion Maker basically allows you to customize games based on your liking, from the characters, the designs, the sounds, and so on. My favorite game in Motion Maker is the wall attack game, because basically it's like a zombie game, and you can customize whatever you want to even make it less like a zombie game and more like whatever you feel. You just need to download the game, and if you want to know how to customize it, click on tutorial, and then from there it takes you to the website on what you should do. They'll even give you templates and everything for free. From there you customize it with any editing software like Photoshop or Canva or Illustrator, whatever you use, whether free or paid. And now after doing everything, you're basically done. You can do whatever you want with the software and have fun.